Excuse me?
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine, bro.
Bro, do you like gum?
Which gum?
Yeah, lychee gum.
It's bubble gum.
Yeah, morning is when you say no, you take your only price 50.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is Alian Khan. I am from Bahrain, your students.
You're from Bahrain, Swat, okay?
Yeah.
Oh, in which class do you read?
I did class 8.
You read in class 8. In which school?
In my school name is ښارکی Middle School Makan Bagh.
Oh.
I won school your 7th position, your complex medal section Satal. Bahrain Satal.
You were in complex medal section Satal,
Bahrain,
and now you're studying in Pulkur Model School.
Yeah, my family is here, my home.
Why do you sell these bubble gums?
Bro, I am poor.
Oh, you're poor.
Yeah, you're selling them. My father is
And you're so cute, and you're so...
Thank you. My little brother is
so
low.
energetic, athletic person. You're
One
selling
younger
bubble
brother
gum.
and 2 sisters.
You have one younger brother and 2 sisters.
Yeah.
Oh. So how much you earn per day selling these bubble gums?
One day to 300, 400.
300 and 400. And what do you do with that money?
Money is home. My school fees is not complete. You're selling them.
You selling them, and you send the money
You
to
have
your
money
home. You send money to home
Yeah.
to pay your fees.
Yeah, I say yes.
Oh. And where do you live here?
My family.
Yes.
Here, Najibabad Yakhpichok is home. Here,
Najibabad.
you're selling them.
Okay.
Thank you. See you
Very
next
good.
time.
Very good.
Okay, Sad, pay for
Nice
him and
way, bro.
Okay.
Your gift. See you next time. Money, okay?
This is my gift.
Okay.
Oh, give me a hug, please. I will give you gift. Okay?
No.
You give me gift. I will give you gift. Okay? This is your gift.
Thank you. See you next time.
Is it okay? Okay, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
See you
Good.
soon.
Good boy. Good boy. Thank you.